Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain about Breathe Fresh washing machine cleaner reviews of United States. Friends, this is not our product. If you have never ordered this product, this unbiased review will help in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till the end. I'll share the way to get your money back. So let's start with the video. So this is the image of the product, and this particular product is only available on this website breathefresh.co. And let's see the description of the product now. It says Breathe Fresh is the #1 selling washing machine cleaner because it's affordable and so easy to use. Each Breathe Fresh washing machine cleaner tablet is specially formulated to help remove dirt and residue build-up, which can be gross. Using Breathe Fresh once a month helps your washing machine clean like it's brand new, which keeps your laundry smelling amazing. Now, talking about the features of this particular product, it is EPA safe certified, which says Breathe Fresh washing machine cleaner tablets are made with ingredients approved by the EPA Safer Choice program. It has top and front loader machines. Breathe Fresh is designed to clean every inch of your washing machine regardless of its size, brand or model. Amazing results. Deep cleaning Breathe Fresh tablets have been recommended by nearly all of the top brands of washing machines on the market because they get the job done right. With thousands of 5-star reviews, Breathe Fresh, it's easy to see why we are the #1 selling washing machine cleaner. Now, talking about the price and discount available, it says it has got 50% discount. Current promotion is 50% off our regular pricing, so make sure you take the advantage. But no price is available on its web page. And if you want to check the availability, it comes or it appears a blank page. Let's check the availability of the product here. So a blank page appears. Now before going further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or a legit product. Talking about the age of this particular product, seems to be few months old product. Now let's talk about the specifications or about the product. Amazing results delivered quickly. For the best results, simply drop one Breathe Fresh tablet into your empty machine and wash on a normal cycle with hot water. Once the load is done, simply wipe away any residue left behind after the cycle ends. So this is the method to how to use this product. Now, talking about the social media presence, this particular product has no social media presence in spite of being few months old of this product, which is a negative remark here. Now let's check the reviews. Some reviews has been found on the website Ipsos. Let's check those. So one of the customers says, I have never cleaned the inside of our washing machine until now. It's very easy to use product. Makes you feel better knowing it's cleaned on the inside. I never thought about how it should have been cleaned, and now that I have used this product, I will be sure to continue doing so. Another customer says sometimes the washing machine gets a musty smell if items have been left in for too long. Breathe Fresh takes that away and I highly recommended it. So these are the reviews available. Another customer says, I received this as a gift from my daughter. I ran my washer on the self-clean cycle. What a clean, fresh washing machine, will definitely buy and use again. So these are the reviews available on the website. Now talking about the reviews available on Google or Trustpilot. So there is no reviews found on both the platforms. So it is a negative remark here. Now let's talk about the overall product. With the above discussion, I would suggest my viewers that this product looks suspicious and it is not available in any other genuine websites, and reviews only on its website is not reliable because of lack of reviews and social media presence. I would suggest my viewers to do their own amount of research before investing their money on this product. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting guys. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you.